Sometimes when you see someone's video, you will think that that is the actual way the video was shot, and looking all clear, crispy and all, but that is not actually how it is. Like I am talking to you now, this is how my video is after shooting any video that I'm shooting with my phone. And mind you, I'm using an iPhone XS Max, right? And this is just the quality of the video that I'm shooting. But I used to touch it a little bit in my editing so that at the end of the day, my videos would come out well. I see people asking me, which phone are you using? How are you shooting your videos? And the rest of that. And that is what I really want to tell you in this video. How you can shoot your videos with your smartphone and get the best out of it. Whatever smartphone that you're using, I'm going to be giving you this tip. It can be generally applied to anybody, not just to those using an iPhone. Anybody, whether you're using an Android or anything, you can apply this and your videos would come out nice. If this is a video that you would like to watch, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. And let me tell you what you should do to make your videos look all clear. The app that we are going to be using is the CapCut. You can download it from your Play Store or your App Store. So I'm going to be clicking it open and we'll be seeing new project. Click on new project to bring in the video that you would like to edit. Let me say I want to edit this video right here. I'm going to click on it and you have seen it down here. You're going to click on add. Once you add it, it appears this way. So this is my video, but you see how dull it is. I am going to edit it now. So first off, what we are going to do is to click on the video. If you click on the video, you will see this white line around it. This is to show you that you have highlighted that video. So when we have highlighted, we move down here and we are going to be looking for adjust. So click on adjust, which is right here. Click on adjust. You're going to be seeing all these options and I'm going to be showing you the ones that I really tamper with. You can play around with everything, but I'm just going to go straight to what I do. So first off, I'm going to be clicking on sharpen. This sharpen will make your video sharp and I'm increasing it to 100, right? And I'll click on brilliance, which is this one. I'm going to be increasing it a little, like 8, and then I would go to brightness. I'm going to be increasing it a little bit. You can really play around with the settings. If you know how your before video is, you can play around with the settings, okay? But now I'm just going to be tampering with those I usually tamper with. Now I'm going to be going to grain. Why I usually add grain is that sometimes YouTube tends to reduce the quality of your video, but when you add this grain to it, it is going to reduce it just a little bit. That is not even significant. So that is why I usually add grain, which I learned from another YouTuber. So I'm going to be increasing it a little bit. If you want to see how this grain is, this is how it is. I don't know whether you're seeing how scattered or how dirty my videos are. It looks like all these small dots, but we don't really want to make it that visible. Okay, I'm going to just put it at 7 or 8. All right, it is just for the YouTube team to know that it's not static. My videos are not static, so they shouldn't reduce the quality. Okay, I'll still teach you how to make YouTube not to reduce the quality of your videos. Just subscribe to the channel and you'll be getting all those gists. So now that I've done it, I'm going to click on apply to all, which is down here. If you know that you have cut your videos into clips, you have removed the bad ones from the good ones, right? Make sure that you click on apply to all instead of this good up here. Click on apply to all so that these settings would go to all the clips, right? So apply to all. It said apply to all clips. Okay, what I mean by clips is that some of us, because of the editings and the removal of the bad ones, our videos will not appear like this. We have one clip and we have another clip. This is what I mean by clips. You have already divided your videos. So if you have done that already, make sure you click on apply to all clips, right? Now, the next thing I usually do, if you look at my face, it's not really giving, though it is bright, but it is not really giving what it is meant to give. Then what will I do? I'll highlight one of the clips again, and then I'll go to retouch, which is this one. Click on retouch and you go to face, right? When my face comes closer, you see how it is. It's not really giving, though it's bright, which I would commend. So, right, I'm going to be clicking on smooth, and I'm going to be increasing this smooth, okay? You see, my face is now smooth. Look at how it was before and look at how it is now, right? And then the next place I go to is white teeth. It doesn't really make sense where your face is smooth and your teeth is brown. You're going to increase it a little bit, all right, to be shiny in that your smooth face. And then what do we click again? We are going to be clicking on apply to all, okay? When you click on apply to all, current adjustments will be applied to all clips, which is what we want. You're going to click on confirm and we mark the good here. And you see my face. Are you seeing it? If you want to even bring my face closer, you will see that it is all clear. Let me bring myself closer. You see, I am all clear and giving. So that is one thing you should do to your videos to make it good. All right, you see how clear it is. Okay, let me go back. Let me go back and remove all the settings so that you see that this is actually what you need to do for your videos. All right, let me remove all the settings in this one. Let me just remove the settings. I would remove every single thing that I added to this so that you see that this editing really helps your videos. For those of us that are struggling, are you seeing how dark it has become? And then I'll go to that retouch that made my face smooth. I'm going to remove it too. I'm going to clean everything so that you see difference. Now look at what it looks like. Are you seeing this one? Are you seeing it? Are you seeing how clear I look? So make sure you do this to your videos. It's going to help a lot and you're going to enjoy it, okay? Even though you have a bad phone, this would actually do justice to it. At least it did justice to mine, so it would do to yours, okay? So, like you have seen, that is how I edit my videos. So instead of my video looking like this, and I know that if my video is looking like this, you would not really want to watch. But after editing, it turned to this. And this is exactly what you would want your video to look like, or even better, right? And you can do that to your videos. I hope this video has helped you to know how you can edit your videos to get the best out of it. If you love this video, don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.